How to reset location settings on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your location settings on iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you have opened the app, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as General. And once you are on the general section, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And here, simply tap on reset. Now, after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on the option labeled as reset location and privacy. And after that, your iPhone will ask for your passcode again for security, so go ahead and enter it, and a pop-up will appear saying this will reset your location and privacy settings to factory defaults. So just tap on reset settings to confirm, and that's it. That's how you can reset your location settings on your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.